Monday to Friday trading on the stock market. Five steps to making money Monday to Friday trading on the stock market. Right. Don't be afraid to trade on the stock market. Everybody can trade on the stock market. So number one, you need to find a broker, a good broker. Find a broker who is good. And number two, create your account with the broker. You need to create your account by logging in to their platform and then getting everything set for you to trade, fill in your details, and then they will verify your details. Sometimes they will ask for your ID and ask for maybe a bank statement to verify your residence. And then because when they are doing residential verification, they would ask for your address, your bank statement. They may ask for a utility bill. All these ones they use to verify where you are. And then number four, if it is approved, you deposit funds into your account. Once you deposit funds into your account, if it is overseas, usually doesn't take time. Most of the time it's 1 day or at most 2 days. But if it is maybe locally, then it will be within few seconds. And then you start investing. But before you start investing, there are ABCs you need to know. You need to understand fundamental as well as technical analysis. You need to learn how to read charts. So that you know which company and when to invest so that you don't lose money. Remember, we are on the stock market to make money, not to lose it. I will see you there.